Hawak ko dito guys is the Google Pixel 7 Pro. And I'm really happy for the past few months na gamit-gamit ko siya. And probably hindi ko nga plano gumawa ng vlog until nabalitaan ko na lumabas na pala si Google Pixel 8 Pro. There's a lot of things that I like about this phone and there's a few things that I don't like about this phone. In this video, pag-uusapan natin lahat yan. Tara, usap tayo. Sobrang simple lang ang unboxing nitong phone na ito. It's just like another iPhone. So pagbukas mo itong phone na ito, bumungad sa inyo ang Pixel 7 Pro itself. Ito ang hawak natin. And the color na meron natin dito is the color green. And there's some accessories na kasama dito sa box. Meron tayong OTG plug dito. No? It's a Type-C to Type-A adapter. A super small user guide. And a C2C cable. Wala kang makikitang charging brick dito dahil it's sold separately. And kung tatanungin mo ako ano marerecommend kong charger, try this one, ang U-Green na GAN charger na 30 watts. This is the first ever na robot GAN charger nga pala ni U-Green and saktong-sakto siya pang charge dito sa Google Pixel 7 Pro. Kung gusto niyo malaman kung saan pwede mabili, link on the description. Now, I'm pretty sure na ang dami sa inyo nakanood na ng mga review from other vloggers. And this is nothing really new kasi lumabas na rin ng Pixel 8 Pro. Gusto ko lang naman i-share sa inyo all the things that I found na okay dito sa phone na ito and mga hindi ko nagustuhan dito sa phone na ito. Starting with the things na hindi ko gusto dito is yung kanyang camera bump dito. Pagkalapa mo sa table, medyo nagwo-wobble siya. Even though parang mukha siyang Cyclops, medyo iffy siya pag hinawakan and hindi ko siya feel masyado pang gaming. Though this phone is not really intended for gaming, but time to time naglalaro ko dito like mga games ng Gadget Impact and I also play Farlight 84 and Call of Duty Mobile na lahat naman works pretty okay dito. Probably hindi lang ganun kaganda sa Genshin Impact but all the other games dito, it's just pretty playable. Now, another thing na hindi ko masyado gusto dito is ang kanyang power button is nandito sa ibabaw, imbis na nandito sa ilalim. Parang instinct na natin na sa baba ng volume rocker ang kanyang power button. Pero binaliktad ni Google, so I always accidentally press the volume rocker in place of the power button. And the last thing na hindi ko masyado trip dito sa kanya is ang daming fingerprint smudges dito sa likod dahil sa kanyang shiny na finish. No? Kung if it has been a leather finish or a matte finish, maiwasan ng mga fingerprint smudges dito. But I like the color, except yung kanyang pagka-shininess, no? So, yeah, it takes away the good looks ng phone kung maraming fingerprint. So, yeah. But on the flip side, this phone is being protected with a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus sa likod, Victus din sa harap, and aluminum side frames, making it very tough. Watching videos dito sa phone na ito is definitely top-notch dahil sa kanyang LTPO na AMOLED display. All the videos na pinapanood ko dito from the footage that I captured during family outings and all of the activities na ginagawa namin, no? Lahat, halos ni-record ko dito. For the past 3 to 4 months, I've been using this. Sobra ako natuwa sa kanya. Probably one of my longest tenured phone as my daily driver. And by the way, ito phone na ito, pwede siya mag-eSIM. So, kinabit ko dito ang aking smart na prepaid eSIM. So let's talk about the things that I really like dito is ang kanyang camera. It has a 50MP na main camera sensor with OIS and it also has a 48MP na telephoto lens with up to 5 times optical zoom and a 12MP na ultra-wide lens. And ang kanyang harap is a 10.8MP, medyo parang bitin no? Imbis sa 10.8 na front-facing camera which can shoot up to 4K and 60fps. Now for some quick samples na nakuha natin, ito ang nakuha ko from the outdoors. So this one is a ultra-wide shot. Makita natin no, ang wide ng kanyang coverage. And next is the normal shot. And tinry din natin ang kanyang telephoto lens so up to 5 times na optical zoom. Makita natin no, yung kanyang 5 times zoom is sobrang clear pa rin. Yung buzz and everything, ang detail pa rin mga nakukuha natin. Now, if you're looking at yung kanyang ultra-wide shot, the thing na napansin ko dito sa kanya is yung cloud niya. Yung cloud niya is full of details. Normally po, pangit ay yung camera. Ito parang isang chunk ng bulak lang. And I really appreciate the way na na-preserve yung kanyang shot dito sa camera niya. Checking out some more outdoor shot. Ang ganda talaga mga shots na makukuha mo dito sa kanya. Now, I'm sure na ang dami sa inyo mga mahilig mag-picture ng food. And I did try to check some of these shots doon. I did try the portrait shots. I did try some normal shots. Itong fried na cheese stick nila doon, dito sa Yabu. Pakita mo ang ganda ng pagka-capture ng mga photo na ito. And it looks really mouth-watering. just by looking at it. So I did took some other food shots dito, lahat ng food na kinain namin. So just sharing you para makita nyo yung ganda nito for taking some food photography. Tinry ko rin naman sa indoor ang ultra wide lens and ang ganang telephoto lens, and it was really great. Sa activity center ng SM North EDSA, ito ang ultra wide shot. This is the normal shot, 2x zoom. And pagdating sa 5x zoom, gusto ko mabasa yung pangalan ng author na ito. And when you zoom it in, mababasa mo talaga ang pangalan niya is Don D. Fernandez. Ayos, diba? Makita mo pa na he came from UST College of Fine Arts. And trying some dramatic shot dito sa Tim Hortons, makita mo dito sa photo na ito, it's very natural. Yung lighting niya, is just simply perfect for this shot. Parang pwede mo nang pang-commercial itong picture na ito. Now, hindi rin natin pinatawad to sa gabi. Tinry natin dito sa Chinatown Arc dito sa Quezon City. And this one is the ultra-wide shot. Then next is the normal shot, 2x zoom shot, and 5x zoom shot. Kita natin yung Chinese characters dito sa Arco, it's still very much detailed kay gabi. Which prompts me to say, maganda rin to pang night photography. Na pagdating naman sa kanyang front-facing camera, siguro hindi ko masyadong trip. Pansin ko sa mga pictures na nakuha ko dito, mga selfie shots, is mostly medyo maitim ako, both on indoors and outdoor condition. Now, tinest din naman natin ang kanyang front-facing camera and rear camera for video. Ang kanyang front-facing camera is very stable, and yung kanyang resolution is also nice. Probably the only thing na talagang hindi ko matanggap is bakit parang medyo maitim ako sa front-facing camera itong Google Pixel 7 Pro. In actual, maputi naman talaga ako. And if you're checking naman ang kanyang rear camera, it's equally nice as well. Kasi ang ganda ng kanyang pagka-render ng mga colors. Hindi siya OA. That's probably one of the things na ayaw ko sa isang camera, OA ang kanyang colors. This one is pretty natural ang kanyang colors. Plus stable din ang kanyang camera. Parang may kahawak kang gimbal kahit kamay mo lang gamit. And I've really taken a lot of photos dito, mga family memories, mga videos that I kept sa aking hard drive. Lahat halos galing sa Google Pixel 7 Pro for the past 3 to 4 months. And kung tatanungin mo kung outdated na si Google Pixel 7 Pro, I don't think so. Kasi ito phone na ito is still okay for 2023 and probably pati 2024 unless you're the type of guy na gusto nyo mas updated. So definitely we might want to try the Google Pixel 8 Pro, which I hope to have here on my hands pretty soon para ma-review natin para sa inyo. And if you want to buy one of these ones, the Google Pixel 7 Pro, even though that this one is not locally available, I'll be linking on the description box below mga recommended kong stores that has this one, si Google Pixel 7 Pro. And I'm pretty sure na hindi ka mapapaya pagdating sa kanyang camera. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and of course subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.